So many of you asked for the recipe for Jjimdak Korean braised chicken, so I'm bringing back my old recipe video.
It's usually made with a whole chicken that's cut into pieces, but you can use only the parts you like. Wash the chicken. For big pieces, make incisions. Soak glass noodles in warm water for at least an hour. Place chicken skin side down. You want all ingredients to fit in one layer, so use a large or wide pot. Add water, soy sauce, brown sugar, rice wine, green onions, dried red chili peppers, garlic, ginger, and black pepper. Bring to boil. Once boiling, keep boiling on high heat for 15 minutes. Add 1.5 cup of water, potatoes, carrots, and onions. Bring to boil again. Once boiling, keep boiling on high heat uncovered. If you want a darker color like restaurant style, add instant coffee or caramel sauce. Trust me, adding coffee is not gonna screw up this dish. After 15 minutes, flip chicken and make room for noodles. Add glass noodles and cook for 3 minutes on high heat. If glass noodles are not soaked properly, it'll take too long to cook here and absorb too much liquid, which can ruin this dish. If you don't have time, you can cook the noodles in boiling water first before adding. Add potato starch water and cook on medium heat for 3 more minutes. Garnish with green onions and red chili peppers. You want to end up with not too much liquid, but a little bit of liquid at the bottom. So adjust heat or water towards the end accordingly. 맛있게 먹어!
이건 뭐야?